In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cloud gaming on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a lot of steps that you can take to ensure that Xbox cloud gaming works regardless of the device that you are trying to use to connect to the service. So first, as you can clearly see, I am recording this video on an Android device, my phone. However, the steps that I'm gonna show you can also be done on a computer or even on the actual console itself. All of these will guarantee that you will be able to access the service. So first, what you have to check is to make sure that your account is properly set up and that Xbox Cloud Gaming is available in your region natively. So make sure that you are signed into an Xbox or Microsoft account and try seeing if you have the option to play any game. If you are doing this process on an Android device, when you visit the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, you will be able to choose any game and see the option to play right away or play with Game Pass if the service requires it. So, to see if it is supported in your region, you can visit this website, Xbox Supported Countries/Regions. In here, you can choose from this list of countries, and it is going to tell you if the service is available. If Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta is available in your region, you will be able to simply visit the website or the service on any platform and access it right away after you are properly signed in. However, if you select a country and it tells you that it is not available in that region, you will then have to use a VPN. For this video, I'm not going to cover any sort of VPN, but there are plenty of services out there and you can choose whichever one you like. Just make sure that you are connected to a VPN when you try to access the service and you will be able to access it then, but not natively if it isn't available for you. The next thing to check that a lot of users reported is making sure that your date of birth is set properly. So when you visit the Xbox website, you will be able to sign into the Microsoft account like I said, and you can visit My Microsoft Account by tapping on your icon and then this option here in the drop-down menu. On the My Microsoft Account page, you can tap on your info at the top and this will allow you to see your date of birth. So as you can see here, mine is set up. If your date of birth is set to an age of younger than 18 years old, you might have trouble when accessing their services. A lot of users have reported that after they set their date of birth to 18 years old or older, they were able to access Xbox Cloud Gaming on any device. So if you are having problems with the current account that you are using, try changing the date of birth or create a new Microsoft account to be used with Xbox Cloud Gaming. As long as you meet all of these requirements and Xbox Cloud Gaming is supported on your region, or you use a VPN, if you are in an unsupported region, you will be able to fix it on any device. The last thing that you can try is to switch devices. So if you have a computer available, for example, and you are having trouble using Xbox Cloud Gaming on your phone, it might be worthwhile to try signing in on the website through the computer and see if the problem still persists. This could indicate a problem with the original device and not the service. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cloud gaming on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.